Hey friends, this is Atif Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on EOS coin. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that EOS coin was about to hit the resistance of a down channel on a daily time frame chart, and this was one of those videos. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then here you can see that the price has again reached the resistance of this channel. At the same time, it is also trying to break out this quite long-term resistance of 60 cents. In fact, from 60 cents to 51.7 cents. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this is a complete support and resistance zone that has been previously breaking as a very strong support zone here for several weeks and support here. And now again, it is breaking as support. We had a long spike to the downside, but after testing the support of this channel, the price and recovered back and still moving at this support zone. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very massive breakout that is already happened on the 7-day time frame chart from this big and long term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of July 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for GMX, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup, I shared on 15th of July 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button. By the way, in order to click this button, you need at least a free account on the trading view. If you don't have, then you can create one using the link I've shared in the description of this video. And after clicking this button, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. This was a very massive rally, by the way. Now let me take you to the live chart of EOS coin, and here on the daily time frame chart, you can see that for the past several days, EOS is moving inside this quite long down channel. And now recently, after getting bounced on the support of this channel, the price line has reached the resistance of this channel. And here, by the way, it is also testing a quite long-term support zone. On a weekly time frame chart, you can see that we had a long spike to the downside, but did not break down this support zone that starts from 60 cents and goes to 51.7 cents. And previously, it had been breaking a support zone here, and support zone. Now, recently, you can see that it is again breaking as a support zone. Previously, we formed a very big inverse head and shoulder pattern when we were testing the support zone here. And now on the daily time frame chart, you can see that it is once again forming another inverse head and shoulder pattern. And here we have, after this drop, we had the formation of this left shoulder and the head. And right now, it is likely to form the right shoulder of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And here we have the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. Therefore, even after breaking out the resistance of the channel, we will still have this resistance of the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. In order to continue this rally to the outside, we will first need to break out this channel. Then we will need to break out this neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And the target for the breakout, if the price breaks out the resistance of this inverse head and shoulder pattern, will be here. That will be at this long-term resistance of 91.5 cents. And now if we take a look at the target for the breakout from this channel, then after the breakout, the technical target will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at $1.30. Now, if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here you can see that we have already broken out this very big falling wedge pattern. Therefore, there is a probability that sooner or later the price can hit the target for the breakout from this big falling wedge pattern. And that technical target can be here at the top of the wedge. That will be somewhere between $9 to $10. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.